If you live in the Philippines, then you're familiar with this story. Government seats run by friends and families, and it's common to see political dynasties. The father sets the example, ruling for 2 decades, paving the way for the mother, their children, and grandchildren, a province but structured like a private corporation. And in the Philippines, it has been declared that concrete and asphalt roads have expirations. And yes, highways needs remodeling a year before national elections. Their fangs are deeply lanced in the skins of our earth, sucking the life of nature, taking their fill, filling what's already full, and they're looking like a stuffed tick ready to burst. Thieves and liars are winning the hearts of the people, shaming the better and choosing the worst.